Hello everyone, I have a job order again, and this is for factory work. The job description for this is packing the box for delivery. So again, this is a factory work. The company is open from 6 o'clock to 2200, so there will be a shifting for this job, and the salary is 205,000, or it could be more also, depends on the performance. And the Japanese skills for this will be daily conversational. So again, this is a factory work, and the job description is packing the box for delivery. Okay, so if you are interested for this job, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036 206 8058. We also conduct job fair interview in our main office in Kanda Station, and also we have an office in Osaka and Nagoya. So if you are willing to apply for this job, please comment down below, and a request for a schedule for interview. Thank you very much.